Good morning, my sweet children of class 6th. On Vidya Setu KV Upper Camp, I am here, Mrs. Kudeza Ahmed, teacher to English. I am teaching you English in class 6th. And these are the students of class 6th B. Hello, everyone. Now, I hope you want to see me also. Here I am. Hello. How are you all? Are you all safe in your homes? Please don't go out. Go out only when it is very necessary, children. Hope to meet you soon. Yes. Hope that everything goes well, and then definitely we are going to meet once again. Okay, children? Now, going along with your poem, The Quarrel by Eleanor Farzois, let us talk about how the quarrel starts actually. What happens at home? You live with your mother, father, your brothers and sisters. Do you always love one another, or do you ever quarrel? We all quarrel at one time of life, one day, another day. Every time we are not loving one another, we are quarreling also. Then why do we quarrel? Because there is some misunderstanding, or you want somebody snatching your thing from you, somebody is teasing you. There are so many reasons why we quarrel with one another. But in this poem, it is about a quarrel between a brother and a sister, which is very, very common in each and every home. And we all think that the more we fight, the more we love one another. So first of all, I'll recite the poem in front of you, and then we will come to know what was the reason of their quarrel and how did the fight end. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So students, in the first paragraph, a brother and a sister had a quarrel. Maybe they were two brothers, we don't know. I don't know what about. What was the reason of their quarreling? They don't know. One thing led to another. The fight went on increasing. And what was the result of that? We fell out. Fell out means to become very, very angry and stop talking with one another. And somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. Slight means they started fighting over a very petty thing, a very small thing. The end of it was strong. And in the end, what happened? It became a great fight and they stopped talking with one another. He said he was right and I knew he was wrong. The brother said that he was right, whatever he was doing. But the poet says that I knew that he was wrong because he started the quarrel. Now what happens when the brother sister they fight? They don't talk with one another, and moreover they start hating one another. They started quarreling in the morning, and till evening what happened? See, there was a great change because we are not enemies. We are just brothers and sisters. We hated one another. We stopped looking at one another. The afternoon turned black. And in the afternoon also They did not talk with one another. They just hated to look at one. Then suddenly my brothers are just like that. They fight, but then they realize that it is not good to fight with sisters. Then suddenly he came, he thumped me on the back, means he patted me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." How will we go on all night means how will we move ahead if we have quarreled? There, because brother and sister have so many things to discuss also. I was in the wrong. So the poetess or the poet, whosoever it is, he or she realizes his mistakes and he says that I was in the wrong. That means I was not correct at that time, because I kept on, I took that quarrel to a great height, and it continued from morning till evening. And my brother was, in his habit, he was very good. He did not want the fight to continue, and so I was in the wrong. He admitted that he was wrong, he was going in the wrong direction by fighting, and he was carrying on that fight. The brother was right, and so he thought that now he was right, because he came and patted my back to make friendship again. So, students, brothers and sisters, they are not made to fight. Though they fight with one another, but still they don't fight like the big people do. Now, one thing you must have noticed, that the last word of the first line is brother. It is not rhyming with the last word of the second line, brother, about. See, I'll tell you just now. Wait.